Today, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple rows on a large data set. The quickest way to delete empty rows on a large data set is what we are going to look at. So assuming this is my data set and it has these empty columns, rows, and let's assume it's a very large data set, like so. So the fastest way to do it is to highlight your data set. After that, you use function 5. That's the shortcut. It will bring you this dialog. Click on special. So what do we want to select? We want to select the blank rows. So you come here and select blank. Then you do like so. So as you can see, it has selected all my blank rows. I want to show you another way of getting the same dialog. So Control Z. So once again, this is my data set. I select it under the Home tab. If you go to the right over here, you'll find and select. Click on that. You can either go to this or this. The first one is go to. Then when you click on special, it will take you to this window. Or you can go directly, go to special, and directly takes you to this dialog. So what do we want to select? We want to select blanks. You choose blanks and say OK. So it has selected all the blank rows. And once it has selected all the blank rows, our next step is to right-click and hit the delete. So if I delete, I have these options. I want to delete the entire row. And I say, OK. Once I do that, you can see the empty rows go away. Now, there is a shortcoming with this, and this I'm going to show you in the next example. Now, in this example, it's almost the same data set. However, we have a cell here that has empty data, that is empty and does not go across. We also have another cell here, and the row does not go, the whole row is not empty. In such a situation, be aware that if we use the same method, like so, pick the blanks, you see it highlights this blank and this blank. So if I right-click, let's get it again, blanks, I right-click, context menu, and I say delete to give me this. So if I select delete and then shift cell up, it's going to delete this one, and then it will shift this value to the next. Okay? And the others to the next. So if you do that, somehow your data will be disorganized. So when I do that, you can see there's a space here. The two blanks have been shifted up, and there's a space that comes in here. So you need to be aware that if the blanks do not occupy the entire row, there's a possibility that the data will be shifted. Now, even if I use this other option of deleting the entire row, it means the entire row here in this cell, the entire row is going to go away. You can try it. The cell has 485. You can see 485 has gone away from there and the set has reduced. So much as it is possible to delete all items at once, but be aware that in cases where it does not, the whole row is not blank, it may distort the way your data is showing up. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful and have a great day.